My name is Stephen Michael Butler. I'm the CEO of Theta Technologies. Our vision is to enable customers to detect flaws that current NDT systems cannot see, which will enable them to design more complex products.
NDT is a way of inspecting components to check whether they have damage that could affect their integrity in them or not. What we're trying to do is to develop ways of inspecting components that are novel and that can find flaws that are very difficult to find with the conventional techniques that are very well established. We're looking at two streams. One is nonlinear resonance. We're aiming to provide this a very quick answer to whether a component is flaw-free or not. The benefit of doing that is that you can assess the components very quickly, in a matter of seconds or at most a minute. And then if you see that they are not fit for purpose, then you can take them out of the manufacturing process as soon as possible before any other added value is added to that component. What you don't want is to have a component that is faulty or has suspected flaws, and then add to it all the post-processing steps that are required in order to get to the finished part. So you want to detect the flaws as quickly as possible.
It's a really exciting time for us at Theta. So we have put so much work on research and development through all of the years. So it's really, really good to be able to launch the machine and to understand and also know that we can help them with their non-destructive testing requirements. At the moment, there is not a technology that can test parts and can be scaled up to production. You can test straight away, it's really fast, and we can also test, for example, AM parts with the base plate on, so you don't need only to test the part at the end of the process.
This is disruptive. It's a technology you won't get from anybody else in the world. You know, it's patented to us. It does do something exceptional that will change how the AM world can look at its own horizons, opening up new fields for AM exploitation, improving the quality of what it does already. And for anyone who believes in AM, we're a critical part of their future.